What does delivered mean on Snapchat? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll explain you what delivered means on Snapchat. When you send a snap or a particular text message to someone, the app will show your text as it is sent or delivered. As you can see, the snap I've just sent to my friend has been shown delivered. It means that your snap has been already sent to the person and the app on the person's mobile phone has already recognized your snap or your text. It means the message has been received by the person but is yet to open it. Once he opens the app and looks at your snap, the delivered option will turn into opened, which means the person you sent your message or your snap has already opened this snap. So delivered means the person you have sent a particular text or your snap has already received your snap or your text on his or her mobile phone but has not yet opened. Hope this video was helpful. Hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe for more and comment down below if you have any further issues.